Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MMCX connector updated. Start by inspecting both plug and jack closely, then align the center pin with the socket opening and the outer shell with the mating collar. Gently push straight, feel for the click, and avoid excessive force. If resistance occurs, back out and recheck alignment. Work in good light and keep cables supported to prevent stress on the connector. Prepare your workspace and tools so the connection goes smoothly and confidently. Clean connectors with a lint-free cloth, strip cable jackets to expose just enough conductor, and tin if soldering is needed. For crimp-style MMCX jobs, select the correct ferrule and crimper size, then test fit before finalizing. Keep small parts organized and double-check polarity and shielding to ensure reliable signal and long connector life. Quick recommendation for workshop order. If you like tidy benches and small part storage, try leak-proof containers that keep screws, ferrules, and tiny MMCX parts organized and spill-free. They stack neatly, seal tight, and save time hunting bits mid-build, which pairs surprisingly well with connector work. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. Follow clear, step-by-step actions to avoid damage while connecting an MMCX plug to its jack. Align the center contact, hold the cable strain relief close to the connector, then push straight until you sense engagement. If soldering, use minimal heat and a fine tip to protect insulation. After assembly, gently tug to confirm mechanical hold, then test electrical continuity and shielding with a multimeter before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.